What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We back with another one. And this one's gonna be the Walmart outfit challenge. Not really a challenge per se to me, in my opinion, because honestly I do get a lot of my basic clothing there. Like, I don't like the negative stigma of getting clothes from Walmart because they have some like nice quality stuff sometimes, you know. And they recently, their graphic tee game has like skyrocketed. Like, you can find really like quality graphic tees that you can normally pay $25 to however many dollars, $40, getting somewhere else like PacSun or Urban Outfitters or something. So definitely check out a Walmart for graphic tees. But I'm just gonna see how many outfits I can try to make. I'm gonna try to make 3 or 4. I'm probably gonna end up with 3 at the end, just because of the stuff that I find. We'll see. But I am gonna try to like pair it with the jeans that I've DIY'd, like the Amari. If you've seen that video, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen it, go watch right here. Click on it, go watch it. I replaced the little ropes, the little string, to make it look better, but I'm gonna use those jeans to try to pair with something that I get at Walmart today. So basically a whole Walmart fit, you know. But yeah, and if you haven't noticed, this lighting, bomb. I got a new ring light, so hopefully I can give y'all the content that y'all deserve. That's why I was procrastinating, why it took me so long. And also, like, I wanted to do more styling videos, so hopefully y'all like it and y'all like my style. I have a reputation to live up to, slick, kind of a lot of pressure, but it's okay because I feel like I might be able to meet it. I don't know. Y'all tell me. But yeah, so y'all just gonna see me in the Walmart just trying on stuff, trying to pick what goes with what. And yeah, y'all join me on this journey and we gonna see what we come up with. Alright, see y'all at Walmart. Bye. Okay, so we're in Walmart right now. This is the fit. Y'all see the kicks, y'all see the NASCAR shirt. Turn around. Okay. Alright, but we're gonna try to make a few fits, like maybe 4 fits. I want to say I'm gonna try 4 fits, but I'm starting off in the men's section, looking at the graphic tees and whatnot. This are all the graphic tees they got. They got Biggie, Tupac, Rick and Morty. I don't like none of these. Let's see. I got some more over here. I don't like these either. Okay, so I found these like little bras. These are so cute. These remind me of like the bras from like Pretty Little Thing, but they charge $7 each, you know. So I think I'm gonna get these and pair them with like some pants or something, whatever I can find, if I can find my size. But this is cute. It comes with the gray one and the black one as well, so I think that would be cute. So to match those bras, I probably would do like the white one or the black one. So I want to get like some pants, maybe with something like this or like this. I already have cargos that are green though. I don't know. I'm just looking for like some pants to go with that, to match that. And yeah, and by the way, I'm not looking for accessories. I think I'm gonna just use my own accessories, but for now I'm just looking for clothing, like shirts, tops, and all that other type of stuff. So come on. So I like these pants. These look like regular pants. Let's see. Look like this. These are cute. These look like the little baggy jeans that you be seeing on everybody. I think I could customize them though. Customize them and make them look different than how they are instead of wearing them plain. So we'll get these and keep looking for some other stuff. These might be cute with the jeans that I just picked up. I think we gonna see, like, imagine this cropped and then like this open. That might be a look. That might be a look. I don't know. We're gonna have to see once I put everything together. But this with those pants, I don't know. What y'all think? We just gonna take one and see. Make it do what it do. $15 though? Oh no, y'all. We gonna see. Should I get y'all? Should I get these or should I get these? Okay, so we had another Walmart because the other Walmart didn't have a lot of graphic tees, but this one has a lot. Clearly, they got a Pink Floyd shirt. They got this one that's ugly. This one, that one, this one, this one, this one. I don't know who these bands are, but these are some nice shirts. And then if you come over this way, they have some more. I've been looking for this shirt because I've seen people wearing it. So I think I'm gonna get this one. This is what it look like. It's a wrestling shirt. I think I could pair this with something. So we gonna get this. So I was thinking I could wear like some cargo jeans with it. I wish they had sweatpants because like winter's coming and stuff, but they don't yet. But I was thinking I could wear these and it will be a little bit baggy on me. These are a size 32, so you see the vision. So we found these like sweatpants right here, which these might work, but I only found them in a size medium. You think a medium will work? I don't know. I might have to try them on. I might have to do a little ratchet thing and try them on over these shorts right here. Tried on the pants. This is what they look like. And I don't like this. I don't like this area. Why you gotta get so close? Why you getting so close to my crotch? Chill out. But yeah, they kind of ugly. So we gonna keep looking. I have these jeans that I got from Walmart. Y'all might have seen it might have been like my third video, but I did a video DIY in the Samaria Leah jeans, and those jeans were from here. So I'm gonna include that in this video. So I think with that, I'm gonna pair like these little shirts right here, the wife beater shirts. They shouldn't be called wife beater, but anyways, but I think I'm gonna get these and then cut them up real cute. All right, y'all, so this is what I have so far. This is the bra that I was talking about at Walmart. I chose the black one because I like the contrast of the white and the denim color. And then this is the button up. I can't tell if I want to ditch the bra and keep it like this, or if I just want to wear the button up, or if I want to crop this. So we'll see. But these are the jeans that I DIY'd from Walmart. I'm really proud of them. They're basically a dupe of the expensive the brand. I don't know if you've seen their jeans, but their jeans are kind of expensive and I didn't want to pay. So therefore, I made them myself. This is how they came out. Not too shabby in my opinion, but I think that this is cute. Like, this is cute together with like some Jordans or some Air Forces. Like, this is cute, but I might dress it up actually instead of dressing it down. I might give y'all two looks. We'll see. Stay tuned. I might give y'all like a casual look and a dressy look with this, but we'll see. But yeah.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Now we have the wife beater shirt. It just looks like this, and I cut it in the middle just to give it like a little flare, you know, or whatever. And I'm pairing this with these pants right here. You might recognize them. These are the pants that I DIY'd from my previous video that I got from Walmart. Everything is from Walmart, even the little denim thing here and this string, okay? So everything in this video, clothing wise, is from Walmart. And yeah, I think those two will look so cute together.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever.
So now we have this graphic tee that I picked up. It's in a size large because I like my t-shirts to fit really big on me, so when I put them in the dryer and they shrink a little bit, it's still like a big size. And I'm gonna pair this shirt with these cargo pants right here. I don't have any cargo pants in this khaki color, so I think that's gonna be like a different take. Probably gonna pair on with my Jordans, but we'll see. Like, this is really my tomboy side coming out, because I definitely have a girly side. Like, y'all see all the heels. I love dressing up and stuff, but I love dressing down more, like more casual sneakers look. So yeah.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas.
Alright, the next outfit is going to be this graphic tee. Y'all see it. Y'all saw it in the video. It's this Johnny Cash shirt. Still don't know who that is. Still haven't looked it up. But anyways, I think he was a singer or something. I don't know. But I just like the print, like how I've never seen tie-dye this color. So I'm going to pair this with these leggings that I got from Walmart as well. And you can see they're not leggings anymore. What I did is I cut them and I hemmed them, and now they're biker shorts. And I just think this is such a cute little take. And this together, chef's kiss, gonna look so nice. Y'all ready?
Cause you's a wildcat. You leave me with a big neck scratch when I hit it from the back. Pillow under your stomach, you like it like that. They catch you half sleep so you can't fight that. Go for hours, in the shower, devour, full in the kitchen, bend it over the counter. You taste like candy, I eat it like sour power. You be liking it rough, your body soft as a fly.